Lola, where are you going tomorrow? What day is tomorrow? Lola, what day is tomorrow?
Tuesday.
And what do you do on Tuesday? What do you do on Tuesday? Huh?
Go to school.
Do you go to church on Tuesday?
Yes.
No, where do you go on Tuesday?
To dogs.
Who do you go with on Tuesday?
Come on, me.
And where do you go?
Where do you go? Where do you go?
To the nursing home.
Yeah. What song do you sing?
No heaven.
No
Is that
tears.
what? No tears in him.
No tears in heaven.
Yeah. You say, I love you, Grandma May.
I love you, Grandma